Are you aware chamomile is a medicinal herb? Well, it certainly is. It has been used for thousands of years in herbal medicine and is famous for its healing properties. From reducing anxiety to improving digestion, chamomile is a powerful herb with many uses. The plant has many health benefits, and this video will explore them all. This video also discusses the science behind the health benefits of chamomile and why this herbal tea should be a part of your wellness routine. Watch the video to learn more about the health benefits of this fantastic plant and how you can use it to improve your health. 1. Chamomile helps reduce anxiety, calms your nerves, and makes you feel relaxed. Chamomile is a gentle flower often used to calm an agitated person. It has calming properties that help treat various mental disorders like insomnia, headache, anxiety, stress, and more. Chamomile tea often serves as a natural remedy for insomnia. The tea works as a mild sedative and thus helps you sleep better. It also relieves muscle spasms, which are very common in people suffering from anxiety and stress. It contains a compound called apigenin. This compound is a natural anti-anxiety agent with soothing properties that help you sleep better. 2. Chamomile helps ease gastrointestinal problems. Chamomile tea is a common antidote for stomach disorders like indigestion, diarrhea, gas and bloating, stomach ulcers, and irritable bowel syndrome (IBS). The anti-inflammatory properties of chamomile soothe the inflamed gastrointestinal tract and help relieve the symptoms associated with IBS. Chamomile contains apigenin, a compound that helps calm down the nervous system and relaxes the stomach muscles, thus relieving gastrointestinal problems. In addition, the antimicrobial properties of chamomile protect the stomach from harmful bacteria. It contains anethol, a compound known to have antimicrobial properties, and helps treat gastrointestinal disorders like peptic ulcers, constipation, diarrhea, and colitis. 3. Chamomile is an anti-inflammatory agent. Chamomile contains azulene, a compound that helps reduce inflammation and prevent various health problems like asthma, eczema, and arthritis. Azulene is converted into azulenone, a compound that inhibits the release of histamine in the body, thus preventing inflammation and allergic reactions. Azulenone also slows the production of prostaglandins, hormone-like substances that cause pain and swelling. This occurrence helps reduce the inflammation of mucous membranes in the nasal and throat areas, thus reducing the symptoms of hay fever and asthma. Chamomile also contains apigenin, a flavonoid that helps reduce allergy symptoms and inflammation. It also helps to treat wounds and reduce the redness and swelling of an injury. 4. Chamomile can help protect the body from cancer. Apigenin, a flavonoid in chamomile, can combat certain types of cancer. It prevents tumor cells from spreading throughout the body, slowing down the growth of tumors. Apigenin also helps prevent tumor cells from growing in the first place. Plus, chamomile is rich in other flavonoids and terpenes with anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds slow the growth of tumors by suppressing or inhibiting angiogenesis, which makes it harder for tumors to grow new blood vessels that supply them with the nutrients they need to survive. It is crucial because it typically prevents tumors from growing new blood vessels in the early stages of cancer. 5. Chamomile helps treat skin problems. The skin is the body's largest organ and one of the most vulnerable to problems. Skin disorders are common today and can result from stress, medical conditions, or lifestyle choices. Chamomile tea is a helpful remedy for many skin problems, such as acne and rashes. Chamomile has anti-inflammatory properties that soothe inflamed skin and reduce the pain of those with allergies or other itchy conditions. This herb is also known to help reduce the appearance of scars and stretch marks and treat skin infections. Due to its antibacterial properties, chamomile can help eliminate acne and heal skin infections. The chamomile flower contains several compounds, including flavonoids and essential oils. These compounds have anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce inflammation and fight skin infections. 6. Chamomile helps relieve menstrual cramps and can serve as a mild painkiller. The flower of chamomile tea can help women relieve their cramps and pains. Thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties, it makes the pain less noticeable for them. The essential oils in the chamomile flower help relieve mild pains, making it practical for relieving menstrual cramps. In addition, the essential oils in chamomile can help relax the muscles and calm the nervous system. It also acts as a mild painkiller. The best time to drink chamomile tea is during the first few days of your menstrual cycle. This act will help reduce the pains and cramps you feel in your abdominal region. 7. Chamomile can help you lose weight. Chamomile tea can improve your digestion, positively impacting your weight. The essential oils in the chamomile flower stimulate the digestive system and help break down food more efficiently. These oils help break down the food in your digestive system so that your body can absorb more nutrients. It is a natural appetite suppressant because it helps make you feel fuller for longer, reducing your overall calorie intake. This benefit is why you should drink a cup of chamomile tea before every meal. 8. Chamomile helps boost the immune system. The immune system is one of the most critical systems in your body. It is responsible for protecting you from all kinds of diseases and infections. But it can get weak if you are not eating healthy and exercising regularly. Chamomile tea helps boost your immune system by preventing it from getting weak. Well, chamomile tea is rich in vitamin C, which is a powerful immune system booster. Also, it has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties that help fight infections and diseases. Plus, it improves the body's ability to heal wounds and cuts. All these properties make chamomile tea a great immune system booster, helping you stay healthy and avoid infections. 9. Chamomile is an effective remedy against cold and flu. When you feel a cold or flu, you can use chamomile tea to reduce the symptoms and get rid of them faster. Chamomile has strong anti-inflammatory properties that are useful in reducing the inflammation caused by cold and flu. It contains flavonoids that can help you fight infections and relieve cold and flu symptoms. Chamomile tea is also a good remedy for sinusitis, bronchitis, asthma, and other respiratory diseases. 10. Chamomile helps regulate blood pressure. Another benefit of chamomile is that it helps keep your blood pressure in check. It is mainly due to the cardiac glycosides present in chamomile. These compounds help relax blood vessels and improve blood flow, thereby reducing blood pressure. The flavonoids in chamomile can lower blood pressure by dilating the blood vessels, making it a great relaxation and support remedy for those who suffer from high blood pressure. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on 10 surprising health benefits of dandelion roots, leaves and tea. Thanks for watching and bye for now.